Hello guys, I have to crawl over here at the bottom of my chicken coop because they have a lot of eggs in here. So I show you. I have a chicken in there and they have a lot of eggs. They are egging and I didn't harvest these eggs yet, so today I'm gonna harvest them. So it's hard to crawl over here. Come on mama, I think there's a lot of eggs. Wow, look at that, so many eggs. Okay, I'm gonna take it now. I'm not gonna hatch more chickens, so we just have to eat them. Yeah, so many. They're so good. They don't bite me. Oh, there's more. Yeah. All right. I got them all. Thank you for watching.